Hey everyone, it's Richard Payne here from Halifax Homes and Lifestyles, and we are in the sunshine, but we are definitely in winter, so there is a ton of snow outside, but it is glorious. Blue sky and sunshine, just the way we like it. Just about to go in and look at a house, but whilst I was here, I figured we need to look at the stats for November because we are December the 9th, 10th, and it's been an interesting November. Like December's shaping up really well still, which is a big surprise for us. But the biggest thing that I've been looking at is, well, like how long have we been running this market where it's been really in a pretty good market? We've been either a seller's market or we've been balanced. Like there's been no sign of a buyer's market, which has just been incredible for us here in Halifax. We don't get that. And it's actually started because I was looking at November last year, so November 17, and it actually started in November. So when we look at our inventory for November 18, we have 5.4 months of inventory on the market, but November 17 was actually 5.9 months, so it was actually pretty good back last year. And in October we were at 5.7 months, so November we've actually gone down to 5.4 months, which is brilliant. We have 1,900 homes active on the market right now, and we sold 352, which gives us the 5.4 months. Now also interesting is that the sale to new listing ratio, so in other words the amount of new listings came on versus the amount of sales we made, was actually 81%. So for every 10 homes that came on as new listings, 8 homes were sold. Now, no, they weren't the same homes, but that shows you how we're keeping our inventory levels nice and low, because when houses are coming on, out of 10 houses, 8 houses are actually selling. So you're only ever going to get like another 2 houses coming on the market that are active for sale, which is why we're at 5.4 months. Now, average days on market actually crept up. We're at 91 days on market. We've been more in the 68 to 90s, 68 to 70s, sorry, but now we're at 91. Average selling price, 300 and let's call it $16,000, short of $200, which is down 1% on this month last year, and also up 1% on October. So you can see that our prices are staying very steady. 96.6% sale to list price, which has been steady really for the whole year. So what I am seeing is we are in a good balanced market, getting close to being a seller's market, and certainly some areas that we'll talk about next, we are absolutely seller's market. But with the inventory staying low, we're just not seeing a big increase in the price. We're just getting through the inventory and we're actually selling it. Now, let's look at some of the bigger markets. So, number one market, Sackville area. So Sackville area is actually a seller's market, 3.5 months, $215,000 is an average price, 67 days on market. So absolutely the starter market. Interesting then that we go to number 2, which is Timberley, St. Margaret's Bay area. 6.7 months, so getting towards the top end of a balanced market. 30 homes sold, 100 days on market for those that sold, an average price of $281,000, because we do get in St. Margaret's Bay area a lot of lower price stuff. Now, this was where it was interesting because this market has never shown up before, and number 3 was actually Fairmount, Clayton Park, Rockingham area, with an average selling price of $469,500. 140 days on market, yeah, that's a little bit high. 98.6% sale to list price, 28 homes sold, 4.7 months of inventory. So seller's market again. And that was interesting because it kicked Bedford out, because Bedford was always in the top 3. Not this time. Now, if we do look at Bedford, though, it is number 4, and it's 7 months of inventory, so balanced. $470,000 average price, so a few new builds have kicked in there, absolutely, to bring that high price up. And that's really what we're saying. So my question is going to be what's going to happen next year, because when we look at this as November usually slows down, and it hasn't really taken that much. I know for me, December, just get rid of some shadows, has actually been a really good month as well, and the whole of 2018 has been an incredible year. So we're looking to finish strong and bring that into next year. So we're still looking around at houses now for clients and getting stuff done. But it's going to be interesting. See how 2019 fares. I can't see it changing that much. I think we're going to stay the same. I think the average price is going to go up slightly, not a huge amount, but the same areas that are selling fast are going to be selling fast. You know, I look at my area, which is Fall River, area 30, and we're at 8.3 months. So we're back into kind of that buyer's market, but it's Fall River, you know, houses do take a little bit longer to sell, and, you know, we do have a lot more houses. We have 124 houses active, but that's just one of the things of Fall River. Bigger area, bigger houses, bigger price tags. So it's one of those things that we look at. But Those are the headlines. 5.4 months of inventory, 352 homes for sale, and an average price of $360,000. Looks pretty good to me. I'll take that market any day of the week. So if you have any questions on any of this stuff or what's coming up for you in 2019, feel free to get in touch, 902-489-1804, or email richard@richardpayne.ca. Thanks, have a great December, and we'll be chatting soon.